I'm starting a new playlist titled Website InterWeb Income. Earn money from showing ads on your website's real estate space. Earn money from selling products listed on your website. List affiliate links on your website to sell products and services. I had this great idea about a year and a half to 2 years ago when I started buying blockchain domains because I really do believe that, and it's already happening, the decentralized web is already being rolled out. I'm going to show you examples of what I mean and how I'm using blockchain brand name domains that I purchased or I received from lead generating. They matched my dollar, and I own over $4,000 worth of blockchain domains. But stay tuned because I have all the tabs open, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to start building on the storebuy.shop website and how it just keeps branching out. I keep expanding. I'm a lead generator. If I don't sell products or services, I have ads in front of potential customers. I'm a lead generator too. This you start you realize all of a sudden I'm earning more money every day, and it's because I'm selling products, I'm promoting services, I'm a lead generator, I'm promoting brand name products on my domain. It's my warehouse. I don't need a warehouse. My website is my warehouse. I don't need a storefront. My website is my storefront. Let someone else store all the products. If someone hires someone for a service, well, that means somebody's going to be at a store working because of your efforts. Check this out. I'm going to use Brad's organic domain name. Why am I doing that? Because I own the brand name Brad's Organic.crypto. And because I own that, I want to add their products to my website, which I'll show you in a moment. But this is about redirecting that blockchain domain to a traditional domain, which I did. I created a blog post and 4 web pages. Before I show you those, this is the back end of my Unstoppable Domains account. Here's Brad's Organic.crypto. I already went through the process of redirecting this blockchain domain to this specific web page, which is a blog post. It shows it has been completed. It's right here. So when you click it, it will open up in a new tab and it will redirect. You're going to see it. Look at the top left of the screen and you'll see what I mean. Look at the top left of the screen. Brad's Organic or Natural Foods, it says, because that's a step needed to redirect a visitor to this traditional domain, but a traditional URL. Google is not going to let their stream of revenue just disappear because there's going to be a decentralized web. Even with specific browsers, they're working around a way for them not to lose that stream of income. They want website developers like me to show a couple of ads on their website. I don't show a tremendous amount of ads, but it is a stream of income. And to have one ad on top, one ad in the sidebar, and I have one floating ad right here. It's non-intrusive. This is all my content. I speak about Brad's Organic, then I give some education about GMO, modified food, and so on. And up here, this is an Amazon ad. I don't use these. For this, I did. I'm getting better, more confident. The link ads, I added that too. That's an Amazon code. I've been using the native ads, so I definitely am more confident using Amazon. And I added these inbound links because these are pages, and outbound links too. That all comes into play. Getting a traditional URL organically indexed into the major search engines. This is a blog post. See, blog post area, back end of my WordPress. I also created 4 pages. I did research. Yeah, it took a day. It took a few days for me to do this and all the work involved in between. But now, here's something to show you. These 4 pages probably will not get indexed into the major search engines. Why is that? Because those web pages are listed on a parent page. Here, let me click on Letter B Shopping. And I scroll down a little bit, and you see Brad's Organic Foods. And I like to put Shop Amazon. I want people to know if they click on this link, they're going to be led to Amazon. The future plan is to join other affiliate programs. I feel all stores should have an affiliate program to sell their products. And they can do it in-house. They don't have to rely on a third party to sell their products. They should do everything in-house. That means hiring staff and hiring people that know what they're doing. Brad's Organic Foods. Now, let me show you this. Brad's Organic Chips and Snacks. So let me go back here. Letter C Shopping. It should be there. Let's see. Chips and Snacks. It should be here. Yup. Chips and Snacks. And then I write Brad's Organic Products. Shop Amazon. And I did that with the rest of the pages. So now I have 5 URLs that can be found throughout my storebuy.shop website. That's pretty cool. I know the blog post will get indexed. But when it comes to pages, they know it's linked to a parent page. They call it canonical, I believe. I call it a parent. So, but it's increasing the value of my website. I cut the video short. It would have been way too long. Please give a like and subscribe. Continue to come back to check out more videos I'll upload to the new playlist, website, InterWeb, income. As long as a company allows me to promote their products online, I can earn income from creating amazing content, writing about their company, writing about their brand, writing about their service, and I can show ads. I could promote, I can sell products on my web pages. I'm an Amazon affiliate. Right now, I'm focusing on that. I've been an Amazon affiliate 7 years, and I'm finally here. Like, I'm ready to soar. I'm going to join other affiliate programs. I had a vision of, you see how I put Shop Amazon? I knew this years ago when I came up with the idea 2 to 3 years ago, what direction I was headed online with my website, storebuy.shop. And eventually, when I join other affiliate programs, just say Walmart. Well, when I start promoting their products on my website, I will put Shop Walmart underneath the product. That the product is linked to a URL on my website, whether it be a blog post or a specific web page URL. The ads are showing. I'm a lead generator. I'm selling products. I'm a lead generator. I'm selling services. It's only going to get better. This struggle was real for me. And learning how to run the show on your own. Website security, learning how to use plugins properly, the content creating. How can you work faster? How can you be more efficient in less time? Just like you do at a job. So stay tuned. I hope you found the video useful to learn, to help you learn that you can do this too. You can do it too. You can train yourself to do this too. I wish you a lot of luck. Whatever your topic is, remember, you're not in competition with anyone. You could talk about your own subject, your own topic, and build a website ecosystem of your own about something you really enjoy. You don't have to worry about being in competition with anyone. There's plenty of room for everyone to have a little piece. You know what I mean? I'll see you soon. Have a good one. Bye, everybody.